One of the things that you're starting to see now are these AI systems getting focused on specific industries and specific use cases. And we think that's very powerful for a number of reasons. As you think of sitting in talking with someone about financial planning or what they're doing, there's very specific information that someone who is skilled in that area, like, a paraplanner or someone like that would be able to pull out. Like, what are their assets? What are the things that are spending money, like where they're spending money? What are the types of things that may be going on in their life that would change their expenses a few years out? All of those pieces of information are super valuable and frankly, the types of things that you need to act on. And so when we have an AI system that's tuned for that, we can essentially pull all of that information out in a very specific way so that these people can leave the discussions, leave the client meetings, and really start to just immediately walk through what's happening. If you compare that to a general purpose AI system, general purpose AI systems are really good for kind of giving you summaries of what happens. If you think of very simply with things like meetings, if you're in a large company and have staff meetings and you show up 10 minutes late, you'll start to see these general systems tell you what happened in those 10 minutes, who talked about what, everything else. They're very helpful. And frankly, they're very helpful compared to having nothing. But that information isn't really enough if you're in a specific use case or industry to be able to use that to really kind of further what you need to get done with your clients. And so we think that having these systems that are tuned for these specific client interactions that are going on are actually going to be a lot more effective in a lot of situations at saving time and really just kind of accelerating the professionals in these industries, because almost always what you have is an expensive professional very often sitting with a client who doesn't have a ton of time, and they want to be as effective as they can in talking and building that relationship and focusing on them, not worrying about the information that's getting captured, and then be able to leave that and know that they have the information they need to really continue on whatever they're doing. So in our case, with the financial services packs that we're building, it's really that they can leave that meeting and know that they have the information they need to go and adjust plans, put plans together, adjust asset allocations, whatever they need to do after that without worrying about it. And that's why we're really excited about it.